There used to be a time when the term American-made meant something. Well, here at FactoryCat Incorporated it still does. American design, American sourced parts, manufactured by proud American employees is what FactoryCat is all about. From state-of-the-art design software to the most detailed manufacturing tolerances, FactoryCat is a world leader in American-made heavy-duty industrial scrubbers and sweepers. All of FactoryCat's products are carefully manufactured to meet the toughest of industrial cleaning challenges. All process subcomponents undergo rigorous multi-point quality control inspections to ensure your FactoryCat cleaning equipment will operate properly for years to come with minimal total cost of ownership. So, if American-made industrial sweepers and scrubbers with components sourced by American manufacturers and assembled by American employees means something to you, then FactoryCat just may be the answer for you and your company's toughest floor care cleaning needs.